QR codes have been more prominent recently. As the pandemic hit, we have seen establishments and services implement contactless payments in which you can scan a QR code to conveniently make a payment using your smart device. And these small black and white boxes can do so much more than that. It can actually be used by easily pulling up a website, downloading files, and sharing your contact information as if it was like your digital calling card. However, you guessed it, QR codes can also be used for fraudulent schemes. Hi, my name's CJ of Yugatech, and in today's video, we're gonna share not our personal information, but some tips to avoid getting scammed via QR codes. In these times when misinformation, disinformation, fake content, and fake news are swarming all over the internet, especially social media, it's always best to practice verification more often than not. If you've come across a post asking you to scan a QR code for a certain promo or something, check if it's coming from a reputable source. For example, financial services and banks on social media usually now have a blue checkmark or verified badge next to their names or social media handles. That's one way to tell if a source is legitimate. However, since this feature comes with a paid subscription for individuals and business accounts, just finding verified badges alone wouldn't be exactly enough nowadays. That leads to our next tip. Never scan QR codes from strangers and unfamiliar sources. For physical places like establishments, your local sari-sari store offering GCash cash-outs, and malls, they definitely don't have verified badges to show. In this case, be more skeptical. Look for indicators that a QR code is legit and takes you to the correct platform as expected. Also, check if the QR code is tampered, since someone can easily slap another QR code sticker on top of it. Another form of phishing is called quishing, where scammers use QR codes to try and steal your data by installing malware on your device or redirecting you to a fake website asking for your personal information. To avoid this, always make sure that you're only scanning QR codes from your trusty friends, families, and familiar places, and even from your suking tindahan. Of course, not everyone is perfect, and your dearest friend could still send you a malicious QR code. Thus, absolute verification still comes in handy under any circumstance. And in case you decide to scan a QR code, always look for secure URLs or website links that begin with https:/ rather than just HTTP, so it's without the S. You can always look for the lock icon next to a website's name on your browser's address bar. This lock icon and HTTPS indicates that a website is secure and will likely protect your information from hackers. If a website is not secure, the address bar will show a red unlock icon and with HTTP only. So, be mindful of these indicators when accessing a website link from QR. This goes to show that you also need to make sure your browsers on both your mobile or desktop are updated. And for your smartphones, it wouldn't hurt to be on the latest security patch either. Now, what do you do if you've already scanned a QR code that's malicious? First things first, never, ever share your personal information, especially if that certain website is unfamiliar and not secure. Don't engage any further and close the browser tab immediately. And secondly, some QR codes may automatically download a file, and if it does, never open the file. Delete it right away as it could be malicious and may contain some malware that hackers could deploy into your device. Hackers could easily copy and take your personal files for ransom, not giving them back till you send some of your hard-earned cash. And will they even give it back after that? Perhaps. QR code revolutionized convenience by offering quick access to information and services with just a snap. Unfortunately, this same convenience has also made it a target for scammers seeking to exploit unsuspecting users. It's like what most people say, if there's a will, there's a way. And that works both ways. But with a bit of know-how and basic countermeasures, we can surely enjoy using QR codes with a peace of mind. So, do you think we missed any tips? The comment section is welcome for your precious insights. Share your thoughts on how you would avoid getting scammed via QR codes below. If you found this video informative or educational, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell icon so you won't miss out on any of our future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Again, I'm CJ, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Stay safe, y'all!